In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove shadows in Photoshop quickly and effectively. If you've ever taken a photo that turned out perfect except for an unwanted shadow, you'll know how frustrating that can be. But worry not. With Photoshop, you can easily fix that and make your images look flawless. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Adobe Photoshop on your computer. Once you've launched the application, ensure it's updated to the latest version to take advantage of the newest features. This gives you access to all the tools you need for a seamless editing experience. Next, add your image into Photoshop. You can do this by going to the File menu and selecting Open, then navigating to the image file you want to edit. Alternatively, you can drag and drop the image file directly into the workspace area, which is often the quickest method. Take a moment to just look at your image and identify where those pesky shadows are lurking. It's important to have a clear plan as to which areas you'll be working on. Once your image is loaded into Photoshop, the next step is to select the shadow you want to remove. You do this by using one of the selection tools available. The lasso tool is a great option as it allows for more precision if your shadow has an irregular shape. Click and drag to draw around the shadow area carefully. If you need to, zoom in to ensure that your selection is as accurate as possible. This part might take a bit longer, but getting a good selection can significantly affect how well the shadow removal turns out. After you've made your selection, it's time to fill it in. Go to the Edit menu, and you'll see an option that says Fill. Click on it to open the Fill dialog box. In here, you'll want to ensure that the contents box is set to Content Aware. This magical feature uses Adobe's intelligent technology to analyze the background and fill in the selected area naturally by borrowing elements from the surrounding pixels. Hit OK and watch as Photoshop removes the shadow, blending the exposed areas smoothly with the rest of the image. Take a step back and view your photograph. If needed, you can repeat these steps to refine any areas or catch any shadows you might have missed the first time around. Using this method, you can easily remove shadows of varying shapes and shades. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to remove shadows in Adobe Photoshop, leaving you with a clean and professional looking image. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. Don't forget to save your image at the end and keep practicing to master the art of shadow removal in Photoshop. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks, and happy editing.